Hello everybody, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing how to find account number in Golden One. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Also do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel, so that is going to be super awesome as well. Now I have these links for you that you can use to simply access the account number in Golden One, as directly could not be, or maybe you feel difficult to find or search. What you need to do is, I'm on Wise, and this is basically an amazing platform to manage these type of financial sites. So you need to head over to this particular link and you will see you can see Golden One routing number for ACH. The ACH routing number will have to be included for sending ACH transfer to any Golden account. To send a domestic ACH transfer, you will need to use the ACH routing number, and this is the one that you are going to be using. So yeah, you can simply copy it, or you can head over to the site for yourself as well. And yeah, I hope this helps, guys, and if it does so, make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel, and that is going to be super helpful. Also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.